Do you know what are the advanced materials in civil engineers? If not, please watch the video till end. Advanced materials are the materials which are going to replace the present materials to ease the engineers and to decrease pollution, etc. One of the most advanced material we are going to discuss now is Richlite. What is meant by Richlite? Richlite is one of the wood alternative surface material and it is one of the replacement of wood. Do you know we can make wood like material with papers? That is impossible, right? Richlite is made with papers. Paper composite panels are a phenolic resins, composite materials made from partially recycled paper and phenolic resin. Multiple layers of paper are soaked in phenolic resin, then molded and baked into net shape in heated form or press. Even if it is formed by laminating many layers of paper together, the finished material appears as a solid and it is not considered to be a sandwich panel. Generally, Richlite is made from cellulose. Cellulose is derived from tree pulp, is turned into large roll of paper or with the use of useless paper. The paper is then soaked in phenolic resin and goes up to a heating chamber to be dried out before rolling back up. Then hundreds of these sheets are laid on top of each other and with the use of compression mold, the stack is compacted. Because of resin's thermost properties, the resulting cooled material is hard. This is nothing but Richlite. Originally, Richlite distributed as a commercial kitchen surface in 1950s. It has recently been adapted for use in skateboard parks as well as various other appliances such as residential counters, cabinetry, fiberglass cores, guitar fingerboards, exterior wall claddings. And resistance to higher temperature has been claimed to be up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This is all about Richlite. Richlite, do you think Richlite is one of the advanced material in civil engineering? If it is, please do comment yes in comment section.